You can see where we have been, and we are now heading into Baffin Bay, truly northwest Greenland. People write questions of general interest, and they say there's no such thing as a stupid question, but yesterday there were questions about what species of penguins will we see? People, there are no penguins anywhere down toward the Antarctic, the fjords. You have to go south for penguins. Keen birders check off what they've seen every single day. Some people have seen whale blows, but there have been no announcements saying, oh, whale on port side. Now that's what I call an iceberg. Bridge and the jacuzzi are on 5, and the library is on 4. Coffee, tea, waters offered all day long. There is a formal tea in the afternoon at 4:30 with little snackies, sandwiches, desserts.
Talk to you a little bit about the next couple of days, and even looking forward into when we're going to be leaving Greenland. Luswak, we bunkered in Sisimiut, had some experiences there. We came up into Disco Bay, great Jakobsdruven Glacier, and ice fjord. We came up through the Vigot Channel last night, and now we're making our way northward. About 5 days in Greenland, and one of those is a full day transiting, at least, which is right now. Transiting all day today, up through Melville, through Baffin Bay and into Melville Bay. We hope to make our farthest northerly point be the community of Kayak. So this is the northern bit of Melville Bay. The ice sheet is just pouring into the sea. You can see there's not a lot of land between the ice sheet itself. Consequently, there's a lot of icebergs. You can see, this is a satellite image from a few days ago. You can see these little white dots are all icebergs here. And we're aiming tomorrow morning for a place called Bushnan Island. And one reason why we're aiming for this island is because it's in a perfect proximity to give us a few different options. It's in the midst of an area where a number of magnificent icebergs may come together. In the morning, in Melville Bay, massive ice, wide open wildland. And then in the afternoon, hoping to come to Cape York and perhaps land. Kayak, our morning destination, and our afternoon destination. So this is an ice chart. The yellow is getting a little bit denser. The green is the type of stuff, the yellow and the green are the type of things that we went through yesterday as we were approaching Ilulissat. Whereas the red and yellow, not possible. That's icebreaker material. Luckily, we're not going up here. We're going to leave Kayak on Saturday, the 22nd, and we're going to proceed across Smith Sound here and make our way over to this area, if I remember correctly where it is. This is much more of a village. This is an area where they're still living partially a subsistence lifestyle. We're going to leave Kayak probably earlier in the day, mid-afternoonish, and begin to make our way over to Ellesmere Island.
And here we've got the kayak man coming in his genuine sealskin kayak.
I'll do it out that way. Thank you.
Wow. I would drown. I would drown. Now most of the kayaks are plastic, not sealskin. 3, 4, 5. 5 rolls. Bravo!